welcome back to my channel. This is day 3 of 12 days of planning, and as you can see right here, I am showing all of my seasonal washi. This is like my box of it, and obviously I'm going to be focusing on the Christmas, and I'm going to make this is the back side of my countdown, which is at the beginning of my Christmas planner. And I'm doing it on the back side because I want all of my Christmas stuff to stay together. But what I'm going to try to do is use all of these washi's to make like a sample page so I can have a good idea of all the different washi's that I have. And I'm going to make them to try. I'm not the most artistic, okay? I'm going to try to make like this kind of like collage of gifts, like boxes and stuff, and see how it goes. So let's just go ahead and start. I ask that you are nice and not too hard on me. I really am, you know, gonna try my best to make this really good, but you know, we're just gonna have to see. Also, I am filming this in the evening and my dogs get silly at night. Like they get the zoomies and they play and all that. So, you know, that's where we're at. Okay, so this is gonna be like a big gift, okay? And I'm gonna put others on top, and then maybe I'll add the bows. Maybe something like that. Okay. I wonder if I should do like, let me see. I need to look at like an inspirational picture. Maybe it could be more of like this, where they're just all like around the page and not so much just laying on the floor. So that might actually be a good idea. I think that's a little bit easier for me because I was worried about the placement and stuff. Okay. So now I feel a little bit more confident. So then like, maybe I'll use pencil at first. I don't have so much confidence in myself, but let's see. Maybe not so big. Okay, I actually think it would be really cute if with these super thin ones, these could be like the ribbons. So I'm gonna try that. Let's see what I think. I actually think this is already really cute. Like, I don't know, it's different, it's fun. All right, this North Pole one, I'm really not sure what I can do with it other than just like put it up at the top because it's a more of like a title. It's not like just a pattern, you know? So I'm just gonna put that one up there. This one's super cute. All right, so that is all of the washi. Some falling all over the floor. All right, so that is me placing them all down, okay? Now, I have no idea what happened with this one. That like foil, I guess. I don't even think I've had it that long though, but I guess it really went bad. Like it started sticking to each other and then it lost its stickiness. So I had to go really far in and then I got it to work. Okay, so now I'm not gonna leave the bows like this because that would be ugly. Like that's just pencil. So I'm gonna try like different colors maybe. Let me see my markers. So I really only have colorful markers. So of course I can use red, but I'd really like to have like a black marker. I don't have one though, besides obviously a Sharpie. So, I mean, I could use my Papermate Flare. This one might be good on like this one and this one. So maybe I could do that. But let's go ahead and at least try. What I'm gonna do is erase the bow like in pencil, and then that will be my, you know, because there's always a little bit left over from a pencil erased, and then I'll try and do it from there. I don't know, we'll see. So those are the two that I can use this green on. And then the other ones, I'm either gonna do red or black. Well, my camera died. I wish it would make like a noise when it dies, but it didn't. So I don't think that I think it stopped filming once I started doing the black. So I did this one, and I think I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Why not? So I did this black one, and I decided to leave it like that because it looks more like a bow like that. And then I did this one that I actually really like. So I just have two more and then we'll be done. Okay. So now they're all done. Let me zoom back out. Now, I want to label the page somehow. I wish I had really great handwriting, you know, like I could do like really awesome calligraphy. I could either write it here, here, or here. Kind of feel like I should put it up at the top. So let's do that's gonna be it. It's just a cute little simple page. I thought it would be fun. I like it. I mean, you know, it's not the most wow thing ever, but I like it. I think it's fun. And sometimes it's fun to make these really fun, extra cutesy pages. I don't know. It's just fun. So let me know what you guys think. I'm going to put it back in my Christmas planner. I like it. So I'm going to have it right up here with all of my other pages that I've made so far. And this will be a good way for me to kind of like have an overview of all the washi that I have. So yeah, I'm happy with it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you so much for all of the love and support and everybody watching all of the 12 days of planning so far. This was day 3, so I will talk to you guys tomorrow in day 4. Bye guys.